Fuel Consumption Dashboard helps you analyze your employees' consumption habits in detail with a fraction of time, people, and district. On the top left chart, you can find current year, year-to-date, and last year values and detect the growth rate easily. Also with current month and last year month sections, you can view monthly consumption rate. You can view the areas where your employee refills on the map and analyze consumption by clicking the designated areas. Also, by adding year filter, you can view the yearly consumption on the appointed area. To clear all filters, you may click the Clear Filter button with cursor along with the Control button. You may create opportunities by reviewing the top 5 stations chart where your employees refill the most. You can see the difference between last year and current year and be able to comment on month-based differences. You can detect on which days your employees refill the most. Also, you can specifically view on employees' behavior simply by choosing them on the dashboard. To see a detailed analysis on a specific employee's behavior, you may use the Drill Through option. To see the employee's consumption, right-click on the employee's name, through the Drill Through option, and click on the Drive Based button. On the employees page, you can see and analyze the number plate, areas employee visited, and consumption rate. Also, by downloading the dashboard on store, you can benefit from all these features on your mobile phone.